What's up, crew? Welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for tuning into today's episode. It's good to see you all. It has been a while, but starting today, we are uploading every single Friday. That's right. Every Friday I will have a video coming out to you, perhaps every Monday as well. I gotta work with my schedule to see what's going on first, but nonetheless, there will be a video for you guys coming out every single Friday from now on. I want to be more consistent. I want to put out more content for you guys overall, so you got it coming. And I am so excited for today's episode because we are going on an adventure, and I'm going to show you all of my favorite stores to go back to school shopping, all of my favorite stores to improve your style for this fall, this winter, and for this back to school season. And one of the best ways you can improve your style for back to school or for the fall season is with today's video sponsor, Rose Gold and Black. Now, if you're looking for a way to improve your back to school style without having to go out to the store and buy an entire new wardrobe of clothing, because let's be real, nobody can afford to do that, then adding a piece of jewelry or a couple of accessories to your everyday outfit is going to improve it tenfold. And my favorite thing about Rose Gold and Black is that they are bringing you such stylish jewelry at an extremely consumer-friendly price point. This bracelet that I'm wearing right now is actually from one of their newest collections. It's called the Black Collection. Now, this is great Jasper stone bead bracelet. It's kind of dual colored, as you can see. It's gray. It's got this really awesome metal rose gold and black emblem in the middle, and then it separates into the black stone. It is a very, very cool piece to have, especially because the dual color options makes it very interesting to style with other pieces. And as you can see, I'm styling it with this more traditional rose gold and black piece. This is just a black lava bead bracelet. This is the drawstring version, but the great thing about the new Black Collection is that this is elastic, so you don't actually have to tighten the drawstrings. This is a lot more comfortable. It's a lot more easy to wear, but it layers really, really nicely with this lava bead bracelet. And this necklace is actually from Rose Gold and Black as well. It is a sample. They have not released it yet. I think it's one of 2 copies that have been made of this necklace, but I really, really like it. It's simple, it's clean, it's modern, it's just long enough. I think it's perfect, and then this rose gold color pops so, so nice. It's definitely one of my favorite pieces right now, so if you guys like it, you should drop comments in the comment section down below, spam Rose Gold and Black's Instagram page, and tell them to release this if you want them to do so. But again, guys, like I said, if you don't want to have to go out and buy an entire new wardrobe full of clothing, because that's extremely expensive, then what you can do is to add accessories to your wardrobe in order to improve your style for back to school, for the fall, for whatever. It will make the difference, I'm telling you guys. Head over to rosegoldandblack.com. There will be a link down for you in the description. When you click on that link, there will be a ton of items already on the website discounted for you. You don't have to enter any type of discount code. It's already done. All you have to do is click on the link in the description. And guys, make sure to let them know who sent you. Go show them some love. Go show them some support. These are some of my all-time favorite accessories that I own. They are absolutely incredible. They go well with just about everything, and they take my style and they'll take your style to the next level, guys. So go check out Rose Gold and Black and show them some love. Alright guys, so with all that being said, now it's time for me to hop in the shower. I gotta do my hairs because my hair's a little messy right now. But after that, we are gonna zoom off to the mall. I'll see you guys there. So today, I hope you're excited because I am taking you to the mall and I'm showing you all of the best stores to go back to school shopping. Let's go. Alright, so Nordstrom is going to have some stylish pieces for no matter what type of style you're going for. You can get trendy stuff just like this, especially if you go to Topman. There's also a really great opposite brand of Topman, such as Rail. It's Nordstrom's in-house brand. It's very similar to Topman, but it's going to give you that same type of aesthetic look and the same type of streetwear look that you're going for a better price. But Topman does have some really awesome pieces that you can take advantage of, like these. So now we're at H&M. These are going to be the most affordable pieces by far. They are very, very cheap. And they also, like Nordstrom, have a very large variety of styles. They have anywhere from streetwear all the way over to business casual or smart casual. And this is not a bad place to buy your denim if you're looking for some cheap alternatives like Fear of God, stuff like that. They're going to have the skinny denim for a very good price. Alright guys, so now we are in Urban Outfitters. This is the place you're going to want to go if you want the most stylish and trending pieces right now. Not only do they have super stylish and trending pieces right now, but they also have name brands like Adidas, Champion, Stussy, Fila, Calvin Klein, Tommy Hilfiger. They're going to have all the good stuff that you're looking for, all the in-trend brands right now. This is the place to be. And not only that, they have a crazy dope collection of graphic tees. Let me show you.